Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mimie if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, guys. Well, in today's video, I brought to you guys Shein Activewear try on all. You guys heard me right. There we go, guys. So as you guys can see, I have got loads of activewear that I got from Shein. You guys know that I like to wear Honor Active, Gymshark, Define, Nike. Those are like my top activewear, gym wears that I love to wear and work out in. However, I feel like they're quite pricey and very expensive, like obviously, but they're good quality. So I decided to try on Shein. I decided to try Shein activewear and see if they've got good quality as well for cheaper prices, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for the new watchers, okay? See you soon. All right, guys, so starting with the first outfit. I think I'm wearing this one to the gym tomorrow, because why am I looking so hot in this? But let us start with the sport bra. I mean, as you guys can see, I'm looking so hot. I'm looking so like stunning. Like, I just love this color on me. This is a fuchsia pink, I believe, and I love the bra so much. The bra it has actually got a pad inside. You could take it out or you can leave it if you want to, but it's so nice. I feel like this might not be for some people because of the cleavage, like while working out. I'm not sure it's going to support. Doesn't really have height support, but this might be for like arm day or something like that. But I do like it. For me, this is for me. And then this bra is also auto neck. I'm just going to turn around for you guys so you can see. Alright, guys, so this is what the shorts is looking like. So it's got two seams right at the front. It is quite nice and stretchy. The waistband is also very like snatchy. It is actually snatching me right now, and I love it so much. And the length is also okay for me. For me, I don't like it when people hike up the shorts. I do not like it when people hike up the shorts like this. But you can hike it up if you want to, and you can leave it as well if you want to. Let's see if this is actually squat proof. You guys can see it is actually squat proof. I just don't like the fact that it rose every single time. Every single time I take a squat, it rose, but that's fine anyways. So that's set number one, and now let's get to set number two. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, this color on me, it's just stunning, like beautiful. I love it. This is a jumpsuit, as you guys can see. Sorry, I mean, this is a body jumpsuit. This is a jumpsuit. Sorry, guys. You guys should know by now that I so much love auto neck, like I do. Like, it's just my thing. It's got very nice, beautiful material. It's so stretchy, as you guys can see. That I'm sure you guys can see it is quite stretchy. It is in see-through as well, and this is auto neck. Like I said, it's got like a scrunch in between the boobs, which is nice. I feel like this is a little bit big. I feel like this is a little bit big for me though. Like, I wish it was like this. That could have been better, but anyways, I'm still going to wear it. And then the back looks just like that. The sides has also got some pockets as well, guys, like right there, but not really my thing. I feel like it should have just been like normal and just like straight and just like no pocket, flare or something like that. So this is what it looks like. And I love the fact that it's free around this side as well, quite long. I also don't like the fact that it's got butt scrunch. Really, it isn't my thing anymore. Like, I really don't like butt scrunch, but yeah. So for this next outfit, I'm sure you guys have already seen this on me from my last video where I did a glute workout routine. However, this is one of the outfits as well, one of the gym fits as well. This, I got so many compliments on this one when I went to the gym, like huge compliments. So this is what the front looks like. Nothing really much at the front, but then when you turn back, yeah, the whole back is like literally out, like literally out. Yeah, and then it's got a butt scrunch as well. I don't really like I don't really like butt scrunch these days, but I don't know. So this is what the full fit looks like. It is a flare pants as well, so flare right there, and then the back looks like that. Like I said, I already worked out in these and they're just so nice. I loved it so much. I had a leg day in these, like I said, glutes workout. So yeah. And so for the next outfit, this is literally like all black outfit. I feel like this is necessary. This is definitely necessary to have a black workout fit. Like any day, anytime, throw a black outfit on and go to the gym. This jacket is meant to be like a Lululemon dupe or something because it's got like the Lulu's logo, kind of not the same logo, but something very similar, and the old design as well. I don't know why I've zipped up to my neck because I'm literally choking. Where were we? So this has got thumb holes, as you guys can see. I so much love this jacket. I feel like it's just like it's just very nice. It's just very soft, stretchy as well, which is something that we love because we're going to the gym to work out. And I feel like obviously you can wear this out on the street as well, not only to work out. And I so much love this jacket, BBL jacket or something. That's what this is called. I put all the picture and you guys can just like find it on Shein. But the jacket looks just like this. It is quite long to my waist level, right there. Like, I love it so much. It just gives me the BBL shape. And then inside, I've got, do you guys know, I just love to show off my neck and my back. Like, I feel like I've got a beautiful neck, so I love to show it. So yeah, and I will show it. So I've got this. I don't know why I've still got the tag. Why have I still got the tags? Like, yeah. So we have this, is it off shoulder or off shoulder? I don't know what this is called. It's something off shoulder. I think it's called off shoulder. But we've got this off shoulder top to work out in. I feel like you can definitely have a back day wearing these, or arm day. You could also get away with a leg day, like it's just going down and hip thrusting, I guess. But yes, this is what the top looks like. So this has also got a built-in bra as well. You can take it out if you don't want it as well, up to you. This is also a size small. I feel like I should have gotten an extra small again, but this was the smallest size I've got. So, and then for the pants, for the leggings, I love this leggings so much because it isn't very high-waisted to like compress my whole stomach. I feel like sometimes when I wear like an high-waisted trousers, it just makes my stomach feel very big, if that makes sense. But this is like low rise, low waist leggings, and I love it. So the leggings looks just like that, just a normal black leggings, very, very stretchy as well. And it looks just like that, quite simple, long as well. Like, I love it so much. I feel like you guys should know by now that I love you guys so much, because usually I always wash all my clothes, all my new clothes, before putting them on. Honestly guys, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm already having like hives or something like that on my skin. Like, it's like I'm feeling like the itch, and my skin is like turning red as well. Like, I'm going to have to take a shower after this, but I'm like, I just need to hurry up guys. And this next outfit is a jumpsuit as well. This is a short jumpsuit which I really, really like. However, I'll get straight to it. So it's got like this square neck shape right at the front. It doesn't have a pattern, and you call this a walk outfit? Really? It doesn't have a pattern. So how am I supposed to walk out in this? Like, literally, I can't have a leg day in this. I can't have a upper body day in this. I literally swear all how. And there is no protection up here. Like, literally, none. And then the back is an alter neck. Yes, we know Mimie loves an alter neck. What's new? So obviously, like I said, it is a jumpsuit, quite short, like a romper, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Nothing really special. Guys, one thing that I also do not like about this outfit is the fact that they've got a stench, like this smell. I don't know why or how they smell, but it smell like very nasty, and I can't wait to take them off. So, and like I said, I'm starting to, like, my body's starting to change, like, yeah, I need to take them off. But anyways, this one, this smell, just know that, this smell, whew. I've got this yellow top. It is quite nice aside from the smell. It's got a padding as well on the inside. It's just like a normal top, like a normal gym top. And then the back, it's got like this X as well right there. Looks like, so this is a flare pants. This is a flare pants, as you guys can see. It is quite nice and long as well. I absolutely love this one. And then it's got this like an X design. This feels more like an interactive soft motion material, to be honest, but it looks just like that. Quite nice and stretchy, as you guys can see. This is also a size small, and yeah. Okay guys, so like, I'm not even being funny guys, but all of this outfit, this smell, like literally that yellow one smells very bad. Always make sure that you wash your outfits, your gym wear, your clothes, whatever you get, whatever new, just wash them please before putting them on. This is the next outfit. I've got this top. This is a tank top or something, called a gym top, yeah, vest. Yes, this is a vest. This is a gym vest, and this has got inbuilt bra inside of it, and you could always remove the pads as well. So this looks just like this. I love the color as well. This is like a bluish color. This is a blue color, definitely. And then the back looks just like that. Like, it is stunning. It is a stunning style. I love it. And then for the pants, it looks just like, I feel like all this style just looks like interactive style, to be honest. Like, so much similarities to my interactive, but the waistband is not too compressive, but it's okay. As you guys can see, this is a size small, but it is a little bit loose on the waist, but that's fine. We'll manage that. I'm so itchy guys. Make sure you wash your clothes. Oh no. But anyways, yeah, this is what the leggings looks like. I definitely love this style, and I have to wash them. It is quite proof as well. Lastly guys, I got this one in, obviously you guys saw the pink. That was the first outfit that I tried, first gym wear that I tried on. But then this is like the brown color. This one I got in a medium just because I wasn't sure if it was going to be big or small, so I took the pink one in a size small, and then I took this one in a medium, and this, nah, this was big. This is big. Like, no, this is, as you guys can see, but I really don't have time to be returning and buying and exchanging or whatever, so I'm just going to manage this. But this is definitely big. The shorts as well is manageable, as you guys can see. It's got the seam as well, two seam, quite stretchy. It's not really olding, but manageable for gym as well. Yeah, and all of them were like affordable. So anyways guys, we have now come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this try on haul. Let me know which other try on hauls you guys would love me to try. What other brands? I'll definitely do it for you guys. Let me know. Or if you guys would love any other video ideas aside from try on hauls. Obviously I do workout as well, so let me know what you guys would love to see from me in my next video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys. Bye.